With a higher pixel density, 4K gaming monitors provide a more impressive and detailed visual experience. As a result, gaming on these monitors tends to be far superior and immersive. And if you're someone who's looking forward to buying a new 4K gaming monitor, we've come up with top 7 best 4K gaming monitors just for you.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
From the budget category, we have Gigabyte M28U, which boasts an incredible combination of feature and performance at an affordable price point. This 28-inch 4K gaming monitor comes with a 144Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, providing smooth motion handling and also making it ideal for fast-paced games. It also features a clean and modern aesthetic and a built-in Type-C KVM switch for seamless device switching with just one press of a button. Additionally, the monitor is HDMI 2.1 compatible, providing high bandwidth connectivity to support next-generation gaming consoles and graphics cards. The Gigabyte M28U is an excellent choice for gamers and professionals looking for a top-performing monitor without breaking the bank. Do you enjoy playing games on both console and PC simultaneously? Then check out the Acer Nitro XV282K. This high-performing gaming monitor will definitely ensure your immersive gameplay for both PC and console gaming. It boasts a 4K resolution display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 0.5 millisecond response time, providing an ultra-smooth viewing experience. On top of that, it is VESA-certified Display HDR 400 monitor, which provides excellent brightness and contrast levels, making the visuals more vibrant and lifelike. The monitor also has a color gamut coverage of 90% DCI-P3, which offers rich and accurate colors. Moreover, it is compatible with FreeSync premium technology, ensuring that gamers can have a smooth and tear-free gaming experience. So, this is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a top-performing monitor for both PC and console gaming. Next, we got another 28-inch 4K gaming monitor, MSI Mag281 URF. It comes in a very decent price range and exceptional visual quality. It features 144Hz of refresh rate, including G-Sync compatibility, ensuring a smooth and responsive viewing output. Besides its VESA-certified HDR 400 screen, it is capable of producing vivid color representation, contrast, and brightness for a lifelike immersion. Additionally, the monitor's special night vision feature enhances gaming in low-light environments, providing extra clarity to help gamers easily spot enemies and other details. The Mag281 URF boasts a high pixel density, ensuring every detail in your game is crystal clear, and it is also equipped with HDMI 2.1, allowing gamers to pair this up with the latest GPUs. And thanks to the customizable RGB lighting, it adds an attractive aesthetic for any suitable gaming setup. For a mid-range 4K gaming monitor, this one is definitely a bang for the buck. Moving on, we have the ROG Swift PG32UQX. This is a pretty impressive 32-inch monitor that exudes premium and sleek aesthetics. With a high refresh rate of 144Hz and a peak brightness of 1400 nits, this monitor delivers a stunning visual experience with vibrant colors and excellent contrast. Additionally, it has VESA certification for Display HDR 1400, ensuring top-notch performance for HDR content. Not to mention the OSD dial, which is a standout feature that makes it easy to access and adjust monitor settings quickly. The built-in streaming setup support is another great addition that simplifies your surroundings. Also, the G-Sync compatibility does a really good job by delivering a smooth and tear-free output. For those who are willing to invest in a premium monitor, the ROG Swift PG32UQX is definitely worth considering. Now, if you own a PS5 and looking for a perfect monitor to pair up with the console, then check out the INZONE M9. This is Sony's official 4K gaming monitor, which closely resembles the PlayStation 5, making it a perfect match for the console gamers. Besides, the monitor boasts 144Hz refresh rate and a fast 1 millisecond response time, ensuring a smooth image and video quality. Additionally, its 600 nit peak brightness produces vivid colors and sharp images, creating an immersive gaming environment. The InZone M9 also comes with NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, which significantly reduces screen tearing and stuttering, resulting in a more fluid gameplay experience. Also, the flexible stand makes it even better and more convenient, which allows you to adjust the display to your preferred viewing position, providing a comfortable viewing angle. All in all, the InZone M9 monitor is an impressive monitor that delivers on both performance and aesthetics. And pairing it with the PS5 would really make a nice console gaming setup. For our next monitor on the list, we got the Odyssey Arc from Samsung. This is a whopping 55-inch 4K ultra-wide monitor that comes with 1000R curved display. It also got a beautiful LED glow on the back, and aesthetically, this monitor looks absolutely fantastic. Built with Quantum Mini LED technology, it features HDR10+ panoramic view, including 165Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond of response time. So, higher resolution gaming on this monitor will definitely be a breathtaking experience. On top of that, Odyssey Arc is super flexible, and it also allows you to use this in cockpit mode as well, giving it a more futuristic vibe. Additionally, the monitor comes with an AI upscaling processor, which helps maximize the picture resolution. Lastly, it has this special controller called Arc Dial, which lets you have seamless access to various functions of this monitor. So get your hands on this amazing monitor if you want to enjoy open world games with more screen real estate. And finally, check out the LG UltraGear 48 GQ900, a top-tier gaming monitor with a 48-inch OLED display that is capable of projecting amazing image quality. With its slim design and anti-glare coating, this monitor shows up to the mark performance when it comes to playing games. It features 120Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 0.1 millisecond response time, making it ideal for fast-paced competitive esports gaming. Additionally, it can be overclocked to 138Hz, offering even greater performance. The monitor also supports adaptive sync and is compatible with both PC and consoles, making it a versatile choice for gamers of all kinds. Also, the built-in gaming GUI and dynamic action sync further enhance the user's experience, ensuring smooth and seamless gameplay with zero delays. With its enhanced features and impressive performance, the LG UltraGear 48 GQ900 is highly recommended for gamers who want to elevate their gaming experience with top-notch visual quality. So, these were our top 7 picks for the best 4K gaming monitors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below to let us know what you guys think. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.